AliExpress to eBay arbitrage. Step-by-step strategy. 1. Understand the arbitrage model. AliExpress sells low-cost retail items. eBay buyers pay higher retail prices. Your profit comes from the difference after fees and shipping. You list the product on eBay first. Customer buys, you order from AliExpress. AliExpress ships directly to the customer. 2. Choose the right product category. Look for items that are lightweight, non-branded, low return risk, already selling well on eBay, easy to ship. Best categories: home gadgets, pet accessories, beauty tools, stationery, car accessories. Avoid electronics, liquids, branded items, anything requiring certification. 3. Research demand on eBay. Search for the product and check sold listings. Aim for 10+ sales in the last 30 days. Price range: £8 to £30 is ideal for AliExpress arbitrage. Competition: avoid saturated items. Reviews and customer complaints. Your goal: find items with consistent demand and room for markup. 4. Source the product on AliExpress. Search for the same item and compare. Seller rating, number of orders, reviews with photos. Shipping options: AliExpress standard shipping is reliable. Delivery time: check for variations, color options, bulk discounts, free shipping opportunities. 5. Calculate profit. Use this formula. Profit equals eBay sale price minus AliExpress cost plus shipping plus eBay fees. Aim for £3 to £10 profit per sale with AliExpress arbitrage. 6. Create a high-converting eBay listing. Optimize with SEO-rich title, clear images, AliExpress photos or edited versions, bullet point features, accurate shipping times, clear return policy. Add trust signals, fast seller, UK-based support, trusted supplier. 7. Fulfill orders. When a customer buys, order from AliExpress. Enter the customer's address. Choose the fastest shipping option. Upload tracking to eBay. Keep communication friendly and proactive. 8. Scale up. Once you have 3 to 5 winning products, add more variations. Increase listing volume. Negotiate with sellers. Build bundles. Automate with listing tools. 5 realistic AliExpress eBay arbitrage examples. These examples show typical beginner-friendly items with solid margins. Example 1. Car vent phone holder. AliExpress cost £1.80. eBay selling price £6.99. Profit after fees £3. Why it works: high demand, lightweight, evergreen niche. Example 2. Reusable lint roller. AliExpress cost £1.20. eBay selling price £5.99. Profit after fees £2.50. Why it works: household essential, impulse buy. Example 3. Silicone heat-resistant cooking mat. AliExpress cost £2. eBay selling price £9.99. Profit after fees £4. Why it works: kitchen niche, strong gifting market. Example 4. Pet nail trimmer, manual. AliExpress cost £1.50. eBay selling price £7.99. Profit after fees £3. Why it works: pet niche is evergreen and low risk. Example 5. Cable organizer clips, 10-pack. AliExpress cost 90p. eBay selling price £5.99. Profit after fees £2.50. Why it works: office/home niche, lightweight, low returns.